What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rel back on the video. Today I got 5 tools every graphic designer should be using, and they're free. So stay tuned to check it out. Peace. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on. A lot of y'all don't be getting notified when I drop a video, and that sucks because I be putting the work in, and I want y'all to see it. I want y'all's feedback. I want to know what I can better at, and I want to know that y'all saw the video, and if y'all liked it or if y'all hated it, I just want to know what's going on. So the first tool that I want to introduce to you guys is Asana. What is Asana? Asana is a web-based application designed to help teams organize, track, and manage their work effectively. I use Asana for project management for my teams, and it's user-friendly interface for easy collaboration. Asana helps me stay organized, helps me stay on track, helps me and my client reach our goals within the project, because sometimes when I'm using emails, things can get lost in there. They can gloss over email, or it can get bogged down and I can miss an email or just anything. But with Asana, there's an app for it, there's notifications, there's updates. You can set project goals, you can set project timelines, and once you achieve a timeline, you can just click it and it will let your client or whoever you're working with, it'll let them know that you've completed it and you can go forward with the next steps. And for me, that's important to stay on my timeline, because you don't want projects to drag on for months on end when they really don't have to. It could have been a 2 or 3 week project and it could have been over, but since you lost track of the timeline and everything, now it's taking you a month, 2 months, 3 months to finish whatever you were working on. And that's no good for business, that's no good for your clients, and it's not good for you. So check out Asana if you haven't. It's really good for that. Tool number 2, Wave Apps. Wave Apps is a suite of online financial management tools tailored for small businesses, offering services like accounting, invoicing, receipt scanning, and streamlined administrative tasks. I love Wave Apps. It allows for me to add multiple packages, send invoices. I can send repeated invoices each month or each week, however many I want to send, so I don't have to think about it. I don't have to forget the deadline on when I need to send them the invoice to get paid. I can automate it and I can move on with my life. Tool number 3, Milanote. Milanote is a creative tool for visual thinkers and creative professionals. It offers a collaborative space for organizing ideas, images, and notes. So if you checked out my previous design videos, you've noticed I've had Milanote in a few of them, and I use it in my everyday life. I use it in my projects with my clients and everything, because it has all my inspiration on one page, and I love that. I don't really like using Photoshop and Illustrator for mood boards. I like to have them separate. I don't know why, that's just how my brain works. It allows for me to put together mood boards, collaborate with clients, as well as just look at previous design projects that I've worked on and draw inspiration from it. Mood boarding is an essential step for me when I'm designing a logo, flyer, banner, website, whatever. I need to draw inspiration from other designers and other inspiration from life, and it just helps me keep all my thoughts in one space. So check it out, because it's easy to use and it's free, and click my link so I can give me some more space. 4th tool I use is Dropbox Sign. Dropbox Sign is the digital signature platform that enables users to securely sign documents electronically, streamlining the signing process and eliminating the need for physical paperwork. Y'all know I'm very pro on having contracts for your business, but also if you don't work physically with your clients, you need a place to send them the contract. And I use HelloSign. HelloSign is a great platform. It allows for you to edit and allows for them to sign it via the website. That way you can send it back and forth. If you have any changes, you can change it. I usually change my template in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, which Google Docs is free, and then they can send it off. And that way, after they do that, I have a copy on my hard drive, on my Dropbox, on my external hard drive, and I have another copy on a jump drive. Now, why do I do that? Because I'm crazy. I got 4 copies, and I do that because I want to stay protected at all times. People change. You don't know these people. And I've had people try to change the terms and services over time. I'm like, no, I got it here. And if you got a problem, we can go to court, because I am well protected. And as artists, you need to do the same. I've been played before. I created a mixtape cover for an artist back in 2013. They blocked me. They used my didn't get no credit, and I didn't have proof because they didn't pay me. So that taught me a valuable lesson. And I've also had people steal my artwork over time, but I've learned that there's ways around everything. You need to protect yourself. You need to cover your own back, because this is business, this is cutthroat, and people will cheat and they will lie and they will steal any way they possibly can. Dropbox Sign has been essential with me in helping me stay protected with my business. You do not want to be out here raw dogging projects.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What do you mean by that?
Hey, yo, that was crazy.
Hey, yo, that was crazy.
You will get screwed over, and you don't want to. You want to make sure you are protected at all costs. The fifth and final tool I use is Calendly. Calendly is an online scheduling tool that simplifies the process of setting up appointments and meetings by allowing users to share their availability and let others book time slots directly into their calendar. Calendly frees up so much of my time. I don't even have to think when I use this tool. And it also allows for me to put on my personal branding, my own customizable link. I feel like I look more professional when I have my own link versus just having a bunch of letters at the end of a link and people click it and they don't know where they're going. But with mine says calendly.com/Darrell Rashad or 86 Visions, they know who they're talking to, they know who they're coming for. Real professional, real neat, real straight to the point. With Calendly, I don't have to find a time in my schedule. It automatically links to my iCloud, my Google Calendar, whatever I'm using. I don't even have to think about it anymore. Calendly already knows, okay, he's available Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday at this time. It's been great for that, man. I get total freedom. I don't have to be stressed out. People can't just book with me real quick and then I have to turn around and get my thoughts together for a discovery call. I get time to prepare for the discovery call. I love this tool. I've been using this since I started my freelance graphic design company in 2018, and I will continue to use it. This and Wave apps have helped me tremendously. That's the end of the video. Hopefully you got something from it. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all soon. No more taking breaks from the channel. I'm back. I'm going crazy. All right, so y'all be cool. Peace.